Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to export your audio in different formats using Adobe Audition. In Adobe Audition, I am going to teach you how to export your video using different formats. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. Now, this is my audio files. This is my audio file that I have recorded in Adobe Audition. What I need to do is go to my file, then export file. You can see it. Then go to format, click on this tab, then I can choose whichever format I want to export my audio files in. Now let me do it again. Go to file, then export file, or you can also go to file, save as. Can you see it? File and save as, or you press Ctrl Shift E to take you to your export dialog box. Then when you come to format, you can see you have different formats that you can use to export your file. I can choose the wave, MP3, MP2, MPEG. So let's assume that I want to export this audio using MP3. All I need to do is click on this tab here, click on MP3. That is all. Click on MP3. Then if I want to choose if I want to choose a bitrate, I can decide to choose any bitrate here, but 192 kilobyte per second is enough. 44100 hours. So we click on it, click on OK. Then name your file, give it any name of your choice that you want. Then once you are done, click on OK. That is all you need to do. That is how to export your video in any format. If you want to render it in wave format, you come back to your format, click on wave and OK. That is all. So thank you so much. If you find this video interesting, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.